PROFLIGATE. In chung ko zinga emo, ichente zinga sumran lo baksak. Mang wow chi nei vem, heti ang mi in ran chen thiam lo. Sum chau ne lo. Til danga po felfai tlapa hun mang thiam lo le. Mi careless te ho hi PROFLIGATE. Ti ane. PROFLIGATE om zia kan hriat chian le zuanan lem chan thiam, jani depa chan chin ngai thateng. Ani hi sum le pai man wow chi mi ni amitin hriat ane. He is well known for his profligate spending habits. Wine man nungata po $13 sing thum. A private lo na chuan mana $13 noi ni. Lunglu mana nungat po $1 noi li. Guitar samsari chuang zat lay naman $1 magdadoi chuang. A staff ta lo kumtin $1 magdadoi li. A private island lay naman $1 magdadoi nga. A long man $1 magdadoi som poriat. PROFLIGATE dom zia chu do ai cheng in kan reta. Jani depthi ain rem chen lo lutuka wangin atlachia. His profligate lifestyle resulted in bankruptcy. Apparently he Oxford Dictionary chon ti hian hrilhfiahna. According to what you have heard or read in Mizo kan da chuan tiang hiniang alandana chuan Mizo ka hriat dan. Kamu dan emo katsier tanga alandan maya chuan entirna peila achiang le mayo me tunan dan han thli ri chuan anin thren mai don ni in alang. Apparently they are getting divorced. Kalaushit danin insoi zoi awal le anio me. Apparently he did a lot of exercise. Idiglo ni in alange. Apparently you are wrong. Manchester City hi tun season na hian EPL an champion don ang tahle mai. Apparently Manchester City is going to be the champion of EPL this season. Vanal sailo hian nupui nei lo tlang atuma ang tariaw mai. Apparently Vanal sailo is going to stay single forever. Effective means producing the results that is wanted or intended, or producing successful result. So may amzia chu kan du thu samang tak le tumang tak result min pe ti na ne. Effective amzia chu ngong nei ti na ne a. Effective kan ti chuan a thazonga ngong nei soina alo ni tamai ane. Idam doi mi chok ka ngai khopasin. Medicine that you prescribed to me was very effective. Kalai khajidan phungi chu ka thlak angai ane kazir so lo riau. I need to change the way I study as I find my current technique is not effective. Romana na ilok sa diam hi lodlina na poimole ngong chanay ani. Planning ahead is effective way to achieve success. TV advertisement anti chin hian omzia ani via wane. Advertisement on TV is effective to attract customers. Ek method hinge mangila omzia ombirang. Which method is the most effective? Fulfill. Tumalbani danglam na nailek in lai china nay si hi arwalin in zidon teang. Fulfill. Fulfill is to achieve what was hoped for or expected. Chumi omzia chu kanthil bay say lok sale roman na tehi ti puitin le len tina ane. Isong tonate ti lotling ro. Fulfill your dream. Ito tiam chu ilin ngay tur ani. You should fulfill your promises. Fulfill ti hanom zedang ani ya. Tu chu lung oy na le lim na min patay tu til soina ani. Entirna peila chiang ber mai zele. Kalung oy na zan na mo hi chu katsak ber ani. I need to find a job that really fulfills me. Lemzi hi atlay puyem mai ni. He was able to fulfill himself through his paintings. Fulfilling ti rom le a. Hei hi lim le lungoy veng suina ani. Tuna kan na hi lungoy thak katikop mai. I find my job fulfilling. Experience minti dam song thei ani e. A fulfilling experience. Embarrass. Mishing la embarrass ngai mi alo kan omemo chu te hanti te doila. Embarrass is to make somebody feel shy, awkward or ashamed ane. chumi omzia chu mi ti hril hai le ti zak mi rilu nuam ti lo taka siam ti na ani apasal zurui tong lu tukhian ati zak zing te sin. His drunkard husband often embarrassed her. Kami malnun minzot na salatuk khan ka omati nuam lo lom le. Her questions about my private life embarrassed me. Kapian nuota katiang ememaza kha kalana yom lo ve. I've never felt so embarrassed in my life. Nom ti lo taka om tir che katum hau lo nia. I did not mean to embarrass you. Refrain. Tirko pola em ni kha engkim ti katana thianga nima sela engkim ti athakher lo ti tu kha ni tiltran khatlak a hi chuan kan nin thir filim atul ani. Refrain is to stop yourself from doing something, especially something that you want to do. Refrain omzian ni ta chu kan thil ti du le ngai na zong tak tilo tura inthunun le insum ti na ni mai zial zulo turin inthunun fan ro. Refrain from smoking. Mi ana zonga soiselo katum ram thin. I refrain from criticizing people. Zu in lo turin ka insum. I refrain from drinking. Tremendous. Great. Huge. Large. Ti tumal te hi chu kan hretlang vek o me. Tumal ko mon le kan man rim tak pon ni Tremendous hi heng tumal kan soi ho chung ko zinga mi ani Thil na mai lo. Thil lian tham le ro pui tak soina ani Saptrong a hian a common ber lo de poi kan thiam matul viau. A puak ring thale ni. That's a tremendous explosion. Anbeng sing le ani. They are making a tremendous amount of noise. Katan hi ni trangkai tak zet ani. You are a tremendous help to me. Har sana na mai lo tak chu ni Tremendous problems. Invaluable. Invaluable simply means extremely useful. Shigno na hian alawa kanom thailo thil poi motam tak kan nei thin. Chutiang thil poi mo le hlut tak ti trongkam chu invaluable ti hi lo ni ta ni. Information poi mo tak. Invaluable information. Thil zir tur poi mo tak. Invaluable lessons. Ituron min pekha a hlutop. Advice that you gave me was invaluable. Devote. Devote is to give most of your time, energy, attention to something. So may amzia chu kan hun thale ril ruti tak zra kan pek hi ani. Devote china chuan tinhe ne om to meulo. Rilupum pui pek na stage ani to ni. Iswan he na ain pum pek top mai ni. She devoted to following Jesus. Ile kazira rilu zong pero. Devote yourself to study. Kansung ko tana hun tamzok man kadu. I wanted to devote more time to my family. Hadret. Buddhism muchok tu pa Buddha khan heti hian alo soi dei to Hadret is never ended by hadret, but by love. Ti in. Ama kha isu pian ma kum zanga vel liam tami ani nanga atong kami isu soi ni om mamoi ani. Atu soi om ji ani berchu in huat na hi huat let ve na hian atire lova. Mangai na zokin ati bautrin ani. Hadret om ji chu in huat na satli ai sang ret. A very strong feeling of dislike for someone ani. Min ho mel puchungin min mel. He looked at me with intense hatred. Tildang reng ay to thelo. Aho rungot mai ne. She felt nothing but hatred for him. Chile chi in karin huat na. Racial hatred. Apa huat na nasatakane. He has a strong feeling of hatred of his father.